class has 15 students whose ages are some one class there in that class of 15 students there, their age is given. That 15 student age is given 14, 17, 15, like that some ages given. One student is selected in such a manner that each has the same chance of being chosen, and the age of X of the selected student is recorded. Now here random variable what means the age of the selected student, the age of the selected students. Okay. Next, what is the probability distribution? First we find out the probability distribution of the random variable X. Find mean, variance and standard deviation. Again same process, mean, variance and standard deviation. So first what we require here, standard deviation. Standard deviation if you want means first possible values of random variable. Here random variable means what? The age of the selected student. So for that's why first the total number of students, how many there here? N of S. Total number of students is 15. So that's why N of S is equal to 15. Now ages are arranged in ascending order. So why you arranging in ascending order means this is the statistical problem. So now here if you take ascending order means small to big numbers. Here different type of numbers given. First 14 there. So 14 how many times repeated means 1, 2. So 2 times repeated 14. Next 15. Next least number 15 there. Okay na. So 15 only one number there. So next number 16 there. 16 2 times there. So 16 comma 16. Okay na. Next 17 there 17 3 times there. So 17 3 times there. Next 18. So 18 only one number there 18 only one number. So next one 18 over next 19 there. So 19 2 times there. So 19 comma 19. Next number 20 20 3 times there. So 20 comma 20 comma 20. Okay na. Next 20 years given 21 there 21 one time there. So now 21 one time there. So totally 15 so that's why 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Okay na. Any one number if you miss means then total calculation also wrong. These are the ascending order. Now here let X be. Let X denote the age of the selected student. The age of the selected student. The possible values. The possible values of X are so 14 comma 15 comma 16 comma 17 18 19 20 and 21. Now if you want to find out the probabilities, probability of X is equal to 14. How many members are there? 2 members. Total number of 15. Then probability of X is equal to 15. How many members there? Only one member. So 1 by 15. Probability of X is equal to 16. How many members there? 2 members. 2 by 15. Next, probability of X is equal to 17. How many members are there? 17. 3 by 15. Next, probability of X is equal to 18. How many members there? 1 member. So probability of X is equal to 19. How many members? 2 by 15. Next, probability of X is equal to 20. How many members there? 3 members. So by 15. Next, probability of X is equal to 21. Only one member. Okay na. Now here see probability distribution. Otherwise here we verify 2 plus 1 3 3 5 5 8 8 9 9 11 11 14 15. So probability distribution table what we done here? The probability distribution table. So if you want to construct the probability distribution table here, see so this is the X value and probability of X. So 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 20, 21. Okay na. So 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay na. Next, probability distribution table here. See 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay na. So 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay na. So 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So 14, 2 by 15. Next one, 1 by 15. Again 2 by 15. So 3 by 15. So 1 by 15. Next one, 2 by 15. Next one, 3 by 15. Next one, 1 by 15. Okay na? So that is the probability distribution table for the given data. Now what we find out here? Find out the mean of mean, variance and the standard deviation. Already we know that mean. How to find it mean? So expectation of x is equal to sigma I is equal to 1 to n xi into probability of xi, that is equal to, here see my values what they are here, 14 into 2 by 15 plus 15 into 1 by 15 plus 16 into 2 by 15. Okay, next 17 into 3 by 15 plus 18 into 1 by 15 plus 19 into 2 by 15 plus 20 into 3 by 15 plus 21 into 1 by 15. Now if you want to find out this value, that is equal to this value 1 by 15. So here how much 14 2s are 28 and again 15 plus 16 plus 51 plus 18 plus 38 plus 60 plus 21 value. So this total sum is equal to 263 by 15, that is equal to 17.53. That value is equal to 17.53. 260 by 3 by 16, 15. We are applying using calci and we get that answer and that ratio also. Now here what we find out next, variance of x. Variance of x means what? Expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square value. That is equal to, expectation of x means already we know that formula. So which formula that one? What we have done here, sigma I is equal to 1 to n xi square probability of xi minus this value how much here, 17.53 whole square value. Now that is equal to this one sigma expectation means 14 square. This values we are applying means 14 square means 196 into 2 by 15 plus 225 into 1 by 15 plus 256 into 2 by 15. Next 281 into 17 17 289. 289 into 3 by 15 plus 324 into 1 by 15. Next 19 19 are 361 81 361 into 1 2 by 15 plus 400 into 3 by 15 plus 441 into 1 by 15. 441 into 1 by 15. Okay na? Now here if we take minus this value how much there here, minus half 17.53 whole square. Now if we take common again here 1 by 15. Otherwise this total if you multiplying means if you get the answer this value 4683 by 15 minus this value how much there here, 17.53 whole square. Now if you simplifying this total value means 312.2 minus this one 307.4 value, 307.4, that is equal to 4.8. That variance is 4.8. Variance of x is equal to 4.8. Now if you want to find out standard deviation, square root of variance of x is equal to square root of 4.8, that is equal to 2.19. 2.19. Here some calculation part there, so directly I read on that calculation. Before only I did that calculation, so that's why I directly read on the calculation. We using calci and easily if you find out that the calculations. Here 16 into 2, 32, but I did mistake here 16, instead of that 16 plus 32 written, then if you get 263. 15th question, In a meeting, 70% of the members favor and 30% oppose a certain proposal. A member is selected at random and we take x is equal to 0 if he opposed and x is equal to 1 if he is in favor. Find expectation of x and variance of x. Simple only ma. Here directly he given possible values of x given, possible values of x, and that corresponding probability also given. So that's why what we done here. So given that the possible values of x are 0 and 1. Okay, na? Now here what we done, probability of x is equal to 0. Then 0 means what? 0 is opposed. So in a meeting, 70% members of favor, 30% says certain proposal. So what here in a meeting, 70% of the members of favor and 30% oppose. So 30% opposed members. So that's why this value is equal to 30 by 100 or 3 by 10. Then probability of x is equal to 1. What we run this value 3 by 10. So this value that is equal to 70%. That is equal to 70 by 100. That is equal to 7 by 10. Now probability distribution. So P of probability of x. Then what we construct here? So this value 0 and 1 value. Okay, na? Now here x is equal to 0, 1 value. 0 means value how much? 3 by 10. 1 means value how much? 7 by 10 value. Now what we find out here? Expectation of x and variance of x. So first expectation of x is equal to sigma I is equal to 1 to n xi into probability of xi. Here sigma xi first value 0. So 0 into 3 by 10 plus 1 into 7 by 10. Answer is what? 7 by 10 value. Okay, na? Next, variance of x. Variance of x means already we know that expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. So expectation of x whole square means what? 0 into 3 by 10 plus 1 into 7 by 10. Okay, na? So whole square means 0 whole square 0, 1 whole square 1 only, minus this value how much? 49 by 100. That is equal to again this value 7 by 10 minus 49 by 100. LCM if you taken means 100. So 10 table, 10 tens are 70. So 70 minus 49. 70 minus 49 means 1 if you add means 50, 21. So 21 by 100. Okay, na? So this is the variance and this is the expectation of the given data. Next one, objective bit given the mean of the number obtained on throwing a die having written 1 on 3 faces, 2 on 2 faces and 5 on 1 face. So one die there, die having how many faces? 6 faces. Out of 6 faces, 3 faces they placed 1 number and 2 faces, remaining 1 face 5. So that's why here possible x means what here? Let x denote the number obtained, on the die, on a die, the number obtained on a die. Okay, na? The possible values you only given the possible values of x are 1, 2 and 5. 1, 2 and 5. So probability of x is equal to 1. How many faces? Totally 6 faces out of 3 faces. So 3 by 6, that is equal to 1 by 2. So probability of x is equal to 2 on 2 faces. 2 by 6, 1 by 3. So probability of x is equal to 5. Only 1 face, 1 by 6. Okay, na? Now this is the probability distribution table. Now you want to construct a probability distribution. Actually what we required here? The mean. Mean if you want means the first probability distribution table we construct here. So this is the x value and probability of x value. Here 1, here 2, here 5. So 1, 2, 5. So 1 corresponding value 3 by 6 or 1 by 2. Next this value 1 by 3. Now this value 1 by 6 value. Now what we done here? Expectation of x or mu is equal to sigma is equal to 1 to n xi into probability of xi. That is equal to 1 into, so 1 into 3 by 6 rather, plus 2 into 2 by 6 rather, plus 5 into, so 5 into 1 by 6 rather. So overall value sigma that is equal to 6 denominator same, 3 plus 4, plus 5 by 6, that is equal to 9. 12 by 6, that is equal to 2. Which option correct? So second option is the correct option. In my last bit in that model, suppose that 2 cards are drawn at random from a deck of cards. So 52 cards there, out of 52 cards, 2 cards are we selected. Let x be the number of ace. So how many ace cards are there? Totally 4 ace cards there. So out of how many if you want 2? So your possible chances what? If we starting only if we get 2 cards are ace cards, then maximum number 2, minimum number 1, minimum number is 0, 1, 2 are the possible values of x. So that's why what we are done here. N of s if you want to run means here 52 C2, 52 what C2 value. Then again if you want to run, let x denote the number of ace, the number of ace cards, the number of ace cards, the possible values of x are 0, 1 and 2. Okay, now why you took my 0, 1, 2 means so both cards are non-ace card means 0. Any one of the card is ace means 1. Both cards are ace means maximum number 2. So that's why probability of x is equal to 0. So both are which type of card? Non-ace. So both are non-ace. So non-ace means how many there? 48 cards there. So that is equal to 48 C2 by 52 C2. So 48 factorial by 2 factorial into 46 factorial. This one 52 factorial number 2 factorial into 50 factorial by 52 factorial. Now cancellation 2 factorial, 2 factorial. This one 48 into 47. Now denominator 52 into 51. Now if you get cancellation 188 by 221, first value. And second value probability of x is equal to 1. So means any one of the card is which type of card? Ace card. So that's why what we are done here 4C1 into 48C1 out of 2 cards. This one 52 C2. Again if you simplifying this value 4 into, then this value what we are done here 48 factorial by 1 factorial into, otherwise 48C1 means 48 this value, and this value what we are done 2 factorial by then 50 factorial by this value 52 factorial, that is equal to 4 into 48, 4 into 48 into 2, this value 50 factorial cancellation number. So divides here what we are done here 52 into 51, that is equal to 32 by 221 value. Then probability of x is equal to 2. So both are probability of both are ace cards. Both are what ace cards. So both are ace card means 4C2 by 52C2, that is equal to 4 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial, 2 factorial 50 factorial by 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial cancellation. This is 24, 4 factorial means 12 into, this value how much? 50 into, 50 factorial cancellation number. So this value is equal to 52 into 51, that is equal to 1 by 221. Okay, now cancellation we do, then if we get 221. Now here what we are done here, the value of expectation of x. So probability distribution table if you want to run means the probability of x, these values. Then what we are done probability distribution table here, 1, 2, 3 values there. So first value x is equal to 0, 1, 2. X is equal to 0 means 188 by 221. Next value what? 32 by 221. So 1 by 221 value. So then what we are done here, expectation of x is equal to sigma I is equal to 1 to n xi into probability of xi value. Now if you multiplying these values, first value 0 into 188 by 221 plus 1 into 32 by 221 plus 2 into 1 by 221, that is equal, this value 0 32 plus 2 by 221, that is equal to 34 by, this value how much? 34 by 221 value. Okay, now 34 by 221. So cancellation possible here. So cancellation means 3 tables, 3 sevens are 3 table not possible. Cancellation 34 by 221 value. cancellation sima 17 table, 17 2s are, next 17 13s. So that is equal to what we are here finally 2 by 13. So which option is correct? Fourth option is correct. Next concept, last concept in probability. So what given? Bernoulli trials. So from this topic, from this concept, one 5 marks question given in board, very important, and competitive side also is one. So Bernoulli trials. So which are said to be Bernoulli trials? Here see some trials there here. A tossed coin shows head or tail. A tossed coin shows a head or tail. If we toss the coin, that given two outcomes given, head or tail. So any one decision there, the decision making yes or no means correct or wrong. Okay, now next, a manufactured can be a manufactured item. A manufactured item can be defective or non-defective. Defective or non-defective. So any trial we consider, then must one should be having two outcomes. One is what? So any trial we consider that trial having the two outcomes, head, tail, yes, no, or defective, non-defective. Okay, na? So these are said to be one is the success means another one is a failure. One is success means another one is failure case. Suppose for example, if we toss the coin, if we get outcomes head or tail, suppose we consider head is the successor, then automatically tail is what? Failure case. So defective is the successor, non-defective is the failure case, no is the successor, yes is the failure case. Okay, na? Success or failure. So this point we remember, any trial we consider, the trial master should be given two outcomes given. Out of the two outcomes, one is the success, another one is what? Failure. Okay, na? Now if we defined Bernoulli trials. So what is Bernoulli trials? Definition this one. So what is the Bernoulli trials? The trials of a random experiment. The trials of a random experiment are called Bernoulli trials. Trials of a random experiment. Trials of a random experiment. Trials of a random experiment are called Bernoulli trials. Trials of a random experiment are called Bernoulli trials. So what is the trial first of all? Now if we toss the coin 2 times, if we toss the coin how many times? 2 times. If we did that work 2 times, which how many number of times? If we repeated that work, that number is represent the number of trials. Tossing a coin 2 times. So first time if we toss the coin, that is one trial. Second time if we toss the coin, that is the second time. If we throw the die 3 times, so first time if we throw the die, that is one trial. Second time also second trial. So third one if you means third trial. Number of trials is equal to how many? 3. So a coin is tossed 100 times. Number of trials is equal to 100. The die is thrown 1000 times. Number of trials is equal to 1000. Okay, na? So that is the trials of a random experiment. Tossing a coin, rolling a die, or throwing a die. Those are random experiments. So trials of a random experiment are called what? Bernoulli trials. Now these Bernoulli trials are satisfying some conditions. First one, there should be finite number of trials. There should be finite number of trials. Okay, now one by one now explain first we listen here. So there should be finite number of trials. Next, trials should be independent. Trials should be what? Independent. Next, each trial has exactly two outcomes. So that outcomes success or failure. Here success is denoted with a P. Success is denoted with letter P. Q is denoted with failure. Okay, now so one point we remember sum of these two values, success and failure, always P plus Q is equal to 1. P plus Q is equal to what? 1. success is denoted with a P letter. Probability of success is equal to P, probability of Q is equal to 1. So sum of the two probabilities is equal to always how much more? 1 value. Okay na? So next point what more? Fourth point means the probability of success remains, the probability of success remains in each remains same in each trial. Okay na? So generally Bernoulli trials means what ma? The trials of a random experiment are said to be or called Bernoulli trials. Now these trials must and should be satisfies the four conditions. First one what ma? There should be finite number of trials. So any if we consider Bernoulli trials means so some trials are said to be Bernoulli trial means the trials are must and should be finite and the trials are must and should be independent. Next each trial, if we take an each trial must and should be that trial given two outcomes given, one is the success, another one is the failure case. Fourth one what ma? The probability of success remains in each trial is same. For example, if we take ma here tossing a coin two times. Okay na? Tossing a coin two times. Here trials there are. How many trials are there? Two trials there. Okay na? Right. First we take ma here finite number of trials there. First point over. So there should be a finite number of trials. How many trials only we consider? Two trials means a finite number of trials. Next, trial should be independent. Okay na? So first if we toss the coin, that given head or tail, that condition is over. And second time if we toss the coin. So one trial is not depends on the other. So each trials are independent. Next, third case what ma here? Each trial has exactly two outcomes. First time now we toss the coin. Okay na? First trial we toss the coin. Outcomes what ma? Head or tail. Second time also if we toss the coin, outcomes what ma? Head or tail. In this trial we consider head or success or tail is success, anyone. So suppose if we consider head is the success means automatically tail is a failure. Otherwise if we failure case if we consider head, then automatically tail is a success. So that's why any trial if we consider exactly two outcomes, success or failure. Third point what? So the probability of the success always same in each trial. Suppose if we toss the coin, now we consider here head is the success. Probability of head, one time if we toss the coin, 1/2. Second time also if we toss the coin, second time another trial if we toss the coin, probability of head is also 1/2. So means all success probabilities in each trials must and should be same. So now these 4 points are satisfy any trials, those trials are said to be Bernoulli trials. Just we remember. So Bernoulli trials means what? Trials of a random experiment are called Bernoulli trials. Then these Bernoulli trials are satisfying the following condition. These 4 conditions. So that is the concept of Bernoulli trials. Next, binomial distribution. This formula very important. So here how do we define that formula means the probability. The probability of the probability X success. The probability X success P of X is equal to X is also denoted by P of X is given by P of X is given by P of X is equal to probability of X is equal to small x, that is equal to NCX into P power X into Q power N minus X. Here X is equal to, if we take the value 0, 1, 2 and so on N. Now this P of X, so this P of X is the probability function, of binomial distribution. Okay na? So now if you remember this is the very important formula for binomial distribution. Probability of X is equal to small x, or sometimes if you are applying small r also NCX into P power X Q power N minus X. Here if you remember these words, So n here, n is number of trials. So already I told Nama, Bernoulli trials means that work, the given experiment, how many times, if you repeat it, that number is said to be number of trials. So X is selected items. X is what ma? Selected items or success, selected success items. Okay na? Now here P is probability of success. This one what ma? P is probability of success. Q is probability of failure. Probability of failure. In Bernoulli trials also same ma, P is the probability of success, Q is what ma? Failure. Already told ma, these two sum, P plus Q is equal to probability of P and probability of Q is always is equal to how much ma? One value. Now this is the distribution, binomial distribution formula. Probability of x is equal to small x, nc x into p power x into q power n minus x value. Here x means what? Selected success items, n means number of trials, p is the probability of success and q is what? Probability of failure. So sum of the probability of success and the sum of failure cases is always is equal to one value. So another one note point we remember this one. Sometimes he given binomial distribution, like this also given a binomial distribution, with n Bernoulli trials, with n Bernoulli trials, a binomial distribution with n Bernoulli trials and the probability, then the probability of success in each trial as P, a binomial distribution with n Bernoulli trials and the probability of success in each trial as P is denoted by, so B of binomial distribution n comma P. Now that is represented by binomial distribution, number of trials is n, success probability is P. Suppose like this given, probability of this value is 6 comma 1 by 2 given. Now what would have Bernoulli trials, here this is the binomial distribution with the number of trials, n is equal to 6, probability P is equal to how much success 1 by 2 value. So this is the concept of a binomial distribution. I think just we remember that formula, then easily if we get 5 marks in board question, very very important, and same concept in competitive side also. Next another point also we remember sometimes in CET bits given mean, variance, standard deviation. Already we learn in fourth exercise, mean, variance, standard deviation, when probability distribution table given. But he given number of trials and P given, means what? Probability success or probability of failure cases given. Then mean formula what we have means mean is equal to NP, and this one variance VR of x is equal to NPQ, and standard deviation is equal to square root of NPQ. Okay, now when this one parameters n and p given, then mean formula this one, variance given means NPQ and standard deviation given means square root of NPQ. So these are the important for competitive CET or JEE mains. We are applying these formulas and we find out some conditions. So this is only this formula useful for board 5 marks question, that is the binomial distribution concept. Binomial distribution problems, example question previous question, very very important. This models repeatedly given So if a coin is tossed 10 times, find the probability of 3 cases. So already told probability distribution formula means what? Probability of x is equal to small x, nc x into p power x into q power n minus x. Here n means what? Number of trials. How many times? If we repeated that condition means fair coin is tossed how many times? 10 times. So that's why n is equal to 10. Now here x means x represent what? Number of heads. So what is the probability of getting one time head? 1 by 2. That is the probability of success. Failure case also, tail also 1 by 2 only. So 1 by 2, 1 by 2, p value and q value. Now X means what? Selected item, success item means what here? Exactly 6 hits, at least 6 hits, at most 6 hits. Already told ma, at least and at most. Important, at least means what? That number to greater than. At most means what? That number to 0. If we reach the value up to 0 cases, these 2 points we remember ma. At least means that number to greater than value. Maximum number. At most means what? That number to less than 0 up to if we reach the value 0. Okay na? Right. Here what we run, Sima? So let X denote. Here ma, let X represent or denote number of heads. Number of heads in an experiment. In an experiment of 10 trials. In an experiment of what ma? 10 trials. Okay na? So X has otherwise one thing do it ma. Here n is equal to 10 right on. Next, probability of success. Here success means what? Head 1 by 2. Then Q, probability of failure. Then automatically what we run here? P plus Q is equal to 1. Then Q is equal to 1 minus P. That is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2. That is equal to ma, 1 by 2 value. Then finally ma, X has binomial distribution. X has binomial distribution with parameters what we run here? N is equal to 10, P is equal to 1 by 2 and Q is equal to 1 by 2. Now if you know that this formula, so which formula if you want to run here? Probability distribution formula. Probability of X is equal to small x, NCX into P power X into Q power N minus X. Here X is equal to 0, 1, 2, and so on, N. Now if you run here, probability of X is equal to X. NCX means how much more value? 10CX into 1 by 2 whole power X. Next 1 by 2 whole power 10 minus X. Here bases are same number. If you add means XX cancellation. Then what we run here? Probability of X is equal to X, 10CX into 1 by 2 whole power 10 into 1 by 2 whole power 10 value. Now 1 by 1 if you find out, first required probability. Required probability. So what we done, required probability is probability of exactly 6 heads means X is equal to 6. Exactly 6 heads means X is equal to 6. Then what we done here? 10C6 into 1 by 2 whole power 10. So NCR formula 10 factorial by 6 factorial into 10 minus 6, 4 factorial into 1 by 1024. Y means what? 2 power 10 means 1024. That is equal to 10 if you split means 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. Here this 6 factorial cancellation. Next 24 into 1 by 1024. 8 ones are 8 3s are 3 ones are 3 3s are. Then finally how much? 10 into 21 by 1024. 2 table 2 5s are 2 5s are 2 1s are 512. That is equal to finally what we done? 105 by 512 value. 105 by 512. So that is the first case. And the second case, so required probability only. Required probability is, then what we done? Probability of at least 6 heads. At least 6 heads means what? At least 6 heads. So where we started here, greater than or equal to, X is greater than or equal to 1, at least 6 heads. At least 6 heads. So 6 heads means X is greater than or equal to 6. Y means 6 number to 10 value. So that is equal to what? Probability of X is equal to 6. Probability of X is equal to 7. Probability of X is equal to 8. Probability of X is equal to 9. Then probability of X is equal to 10 value. Okay na? Probability of x is equal to how much more? 10 value. Now one by one if you run that conditions, that is equal to probability of x is equal to 6. So here what we run? 10c6 into 1 by 2 whole power 10. So 10c7 into 1 by 2 whole power 7. 10c8 into, so 1 by 2 whole power 10. So 10c9 into 1 by 2 whole power 10 plus 10c10 into 1 by 2 whole power 10. Last value 10. Now 1 by 10. So means this value if you take in common, 1 by 2 whole power 10 if you take in common, this value 10 factorial by 6 factorial into 4 factorial plus 10 factorial means 7 factorial by 3 factorial. Again 10 factorial, 8 factorial, 2 factorial, 10 factorial, 9 factorial, 1 factorial, 10 factorial, this value 10 factorial, 10c10 means is nothing but 1 10c10 value is equal to how much? 1 value. Now if you simplifying this value, that is equal to 1024. Okay na? Now this value if you want to run 10c6, already if you prove that this value 10c6 means if you want to run 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 by this value how much? 6 factorial cancellation 24 there plus again 10 into this value 9 into 8 by 6 plus 10 into 9 by 2 plus this value 10 into means this value totally what we done plus here 9 cancellation 10 plus 1 11 value. Now that is equal to if you want to run 1024 into this one 8 1s are 8 3s are 3 1s are 3 3s are. So then this value 30 210. This value is equal to how much more? 210 value. 210 na? So here 30 there, 33s are 21, 210. Okay na? Next value. So plus here see 3 table, 3 3s are 3 2s are, 2 1s are 2 4s are. So 30, 120 this value plus this value 45 plus 11 value. Then finally how much if you run see here this value 200, 300, 330, 330, 330, 330, 375, 375, 375 means 386, 386 by 1024. Next 2 table 2 1s are, 2 9s are, 2 3s are. Then this value 512 value. Okay na? So that is the second case. And the third case also there at most 6 heads. In my third bit there at most 6 heads. So required probability. So required probability is here 2 cases there. At most 6 heads means what? 6 5 4 3 2 1 0. So that one also find it otherwise 1 minus probability of x is greater than 6. X is greater than 6 means what? Total probability if you subtracting the x is greater than 6 values. Then what we done here? 1 minus probability of x is equal to 7. Probability of x is equal to 8. Probability of x is equal to 9. Probability of x is equal to 10. Okay na? So 6 below values or 6 above values we consider here. Then 1 minus already we have the values in second case. Then what there 10c6 except 10c6 means 110. This value is equal to 110. This value is equal to 45. And this value 110, this value is equal to 45, then this value is equal to 10, this value is equal to 1. Then how much we run another one point there here 1 by 2 power 10 common there divides this total value is equal to 1024 there. So that's why 1 minus 1024 into this value how much 165 plus 175 176, this value 176, and 2 table cancellation means 1 minus so 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16, again 2 8s are 16, this value 512. Now if you take LCM here, 512 minus 88 by this value again 512 value. Then how much subtraction? 512 if you subtract the 88 means here 4 value, 12 minus 8, 4. Next 10 minus 8, 2 value. Then 4 then 424 by 512 value. Then again if you want to possible means Which table possible here? Cancellation. Again 2 table if you apply means 2 2s are, 2 1s are, 2 2s are. So 2 2s are 4. So 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are. Again 2 10s, 2 101. Okay na, 20 106 this value. Next again 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 8s are. Then 2 5s are, 2 3s are. Then 2 6s are, 2 4s are. So finally this value 53 by 64. 53 by 64. This is the third case. This problem very very important for 5 marks questions. Exercise 13.5 binomial distribution problems 5 marks questions important. So first here what given, a die is thrown 6 times. If getting an odd number is a success, what is the probability of 5 success, at least 5 success, at most 5 success? Just now only I revised one example problem, same model this one. So here what we define first, let x represent or denote, let x denote getting an odd number, getting an odd number, getting an odd number in an experiment, in an experiment of 6 trials. 6 trials. Okay na? Here how many times if you throw the die? 6 times. So that's why what we done? N is equal to 6. Okay na? Now here getting an odd number. So probability of success. So P is equal to probability of success. What we done? Odd number 3 by 6. Then that is equal to 1 by 2. So automatically P is equal to this value means Q is equal to what we done? Q is equal to 1 minus P. Then Q is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2. That is equal to 1 by 2. Now here what we done? X has binomial distribution. Binomial distribution with parameters n is equal to 6, p is equal to 1 by 2 and q is equal to 1 by 2. Now if you want to run probability distribution formula, here probability distribution formula what? Probability of x is equal to x, ncx, p power x, q power n minus x. Okay na? Here x is equal to 0, 1, 2 and so on, n values. Then here see probability of x is equal to x, that is equal to n is equal to 6, 6cx. So 1 by 2 whole power x. Next 1 by 2 whole power 6 minus x. Then probability of x is equal to x, that is equal to 6cx, 1 by 2 whole power 6 value. Okay now 1 by 1 if you want to prove that required. So first one required probability is required probability. What exactly? 5. So 5 success means x is equal to 5. So that is equal to x is equal to 5 means what we run here? 6c5 1 by 2 whole power 6. That is equal to 1 by 64. Correct? 2 power 6 is equal to 64. 6c5 means 6 factorial by 5 factorial into 1 factorial. So 6 value. Then that value is equal to 6 by 64 means 3 by 32 value. 3 by 32. Okay now first one. And second one what given Sima? Required probability is, here what at least 5 success. At least 5 success means x is greater than or equal to 5. At least 5 success, x is greater than or equal to 5. So that is equal to x is equal to 5 plus x is equal to 6 value. Now what we run here? That is equal to 6c5 into 1 by 2 whole power 6. Next 6c6 into 1 by 2 whole power 6. So 1 by 2 whole power 6 common this value 6 factorial by 5 factorial into 1 factorial. So this value 1 66 is equal to 1 value. That is equal to 1 by 64 into 6 factorial means 6 into 5 factorial. 6 plus 1 that is equal to 7 by 64 value. Okay na? 7 sorry. Here 6 by 5. 5 ones are cancellation 66 value. Okay na? 6 is 6. 6 factorial by 6 factorial into 0 factorial. 1 by 2 6. Okay 7 by 64 value. Next third case what there Sima? Required probability. Required probability of, here what ma? At most 5 success no ma, at most 5 success means what, x is greater than, x is less than or equal to 5. Actually this one what, x is less than or equal to 5. So instead of this value, if you remember, probability of x is greater than 5. Probability of x is greater than 5 means 1 minus greater than 5 means 6 value, where x is equal to 6 here. Probability of x is equal to 6. Then 1 minus this value how much more? 6 value into 1 by 2 whole power 6 value. Then that is equal to 1 minus this value how much more? 1 by 64. Then that is equal to 63 by 64 value. Right, Sima. Next question, 10th one ma. So important question and the previous model ma, this one 5 marks board, important 5 marks question, repeated question also. Sima, a person buys a lottery ticket in 50 lotteries, in each of which his chances of winning a prize is 1 by 100. So winning prize, probability given ma, chance of winning a prize. So chance means is nothing but probability. So P is success given, P is equal to 1 by 100. Then automatically if we find out the Q value, then so what is the probability that he will win a prize at least once, exactly once, at least twice. So already we know that at least at most cases. So 3 cases if you want to find out the probability of winning the prizes, chances. Okay na? So that's why what we taken here 3 unknown variables, parameters. N is equal to total number of lottery tickets, how many times you buy the lottery ticket means 50 lotteries. So N is equal to 50, P is equal to 1 by 100, Q is equal to how much more? So Q is equal to 1 minus P value. Okay na? So that's why what we done here first, let X denote or represent, the number of times that person win the lottery. So let X denote by the number of times that persons win the lottery in an experiment of 50 lottery 50 trials, in an experiment of 50 trials. Okay na? So that is X represent number of times that person win the lottery in an experiment of 50 trials. Next what we done here, so N is equal to 50, then P is equal to what ma? Probability of success. Okay, so that probability he given, how much given here? 1 by 100 given. Next the Q is equal to what we done here? 1 minus P value, 1 minus 1 by 100. Then Q is equal to what ma? 99 by 100. So next what we done here? X has binomial distribution. X has binomial distribution with N is equal to 50, P is equal to 1 by 100, Q is equal to 99 by 100. Now binomial distribution, what we done here? So that binomial distribution formula, probability of X is equal to X, that is equal to NCX into P power X into Q power Nx. Here X is equal to 0, 1, and so on n value. Now here we substitute the values. Probability of X is equal to X. N is equal to how much more here? 50 Cx. P is equal to how much more here? 1 by 100 power X. Q is equal to 99 by 100 whole power 50 minus X. Okay na? Now if you want to find out one by one cases, first case what given? Required probability. So probability of at least once. Probability of at least once is equal to, probability of at least once is equal to, then what we are done here? Probability of at least once is equal to So if you write on the value here, that is equal to 1 minus, at least 1 means what? Probability of x greater than or equal to 1. Probability of x is greater than or equal to 1 value. So that is equal to what here? 1 minus probability of x is equal to 0. Then that is equal to 1 minus x is equal to 0 means value how much here? 50C0 into 1 by 100 whole power 0 into 99 by 100 whole power 50 minus 0. Then finally 1 minus this value 1 and this value also 1. So 99 by 100 whole power 50. That is the first case. And second case, what we see here? Probability of exactly once. Probability of exactly once. Then if you want to write on this value, probability of exactly 1 means probability of x is equal to 1. So that is equal to 50C1. So 1 by 100 whole power 1. So 99 by 100 whole power 49. So that is equal to, here 50C1 is nothing but 50. 51s are 52s are cancellation. 1 by 2 into 99 by 100 whole power 49. Next last one, third case what given here? Probability of this one what at least twice given. So at least twice. Probability of x is greater than or equal to 2. Then that is equal to what put on here? 1 minus probability of x is equal to 0 plus probability of x is equal to 1. So total probability, if you want to subtracting the 0 case and 1 case probability, then what we done here? 1 minus probability of x is equal to 0. Here how much there? This value only 99 by 100 whole power 50 plus probability of x is equal to 1. Already if you find out number here, 1 by 2 into 99 by 100 whole power 49. Okay na? Now if you want to take common, here written that continuation, if you want to take this common, 1 minus, how much common value there here? 99 by 100 whole power 49. So 99 by 100 whole power 49. Now if you take common, so then what we done here? 99 by 100 plus 1 by 2, only 1 by 2 value. Now if you want to take minus 99 by 100 whole power 49, LCM here also 100. So now 99 this value. So 2 times means 50 this value. Then overall what we done? Final answer 1 minus 99 by 100 whole power 49 into 149 by 100. Okay na? So this is the 3 cases that person wins the lottery ticket in 3 cases exactly once, at least once and at least twice. Next one, find the probability of getting 5 exactly twice in 7 throws of a dice. 7 throws of a dice. Here what given? Find the probability of getting 5 when 7 throws of a die exactly twice. Exactly twice means what? X is equal to 2. That is the R value. Then n is equal to what here? 7 times if he throws the die. So trials, number of trials, n is equal to 7. So probability of getting 5, that is the success. So how much more probability of getting 5 means on the die how many 5 numbers are there? Only 1 number. So that's why if you want to find out 7 times or 100 times if he throws the die, but if you want to find out probability of success, if you consider 1 time probability on the die. So 5, if you want to getting probability of 5 means what? Success. That is what? 1 by 6 value. Y means out of 6 numbers, 5 1 number there. So 1 by 6. Then remaining q already, no 1 minus p if you applying means then automatically if you get a q value. Then if you find out the binomial distribution. Okay na? Now here see first if you represent x. So let x denote the number of times, let x denote the number of times getting 5, the number of times getting 5. So let x denote the number of times getting 5 in an experiment of getting 5 in in an experiment of 7 trials. 7 trials. Okay na? Let x denote the number of times of getting 5 in an experiment of 7 trials. So that's why n is equal to 7 and p is equal to probability of success is equal to 5 if you want to getting number 1 by 6. Then q is equal to what we written here 1 minus p, that is equal to 1 minus 1 by 6. So q is equal to 5 by 6. Okay na? Now if you want to write on here x has binomial distribution. X has binomial distribution with parameters. What are parameters here? N is equal to 7, p is equal to 1 by 6 and q is equal to 5 by 6. Okay na? Now if you want to write on the probability distribution, suppose binomial distribution formula, probability of x is equal to x, that is equal to ncx into p power x into q power n minus x, and x is equal to 0, 1, 2 and so on n. Now we want to find out, if we substitute these values in that formula, then what we written here, probability of x is equal to x, ncx means 7cx, p power, so 1 by 6 whole power x, then again 5 by 6 whole power 7 minus x, 7 minus x. Now if you want to find out exactly twice, so exactly twice means the probability of x is equal to 2, that is the required probability. Then if you want to run 5c2 into 1 by 6 whole square, 5 by 6, 7 minus 2 value, then 7 factorial by 2 factorial into 5 factorial, that is equal to 1 by 36, 25 by, or this one as it is written 6 square and this one also 6 square as it is written. Then what, here 6 square power 4 number, this value 5 by 6 whole power 4 value, 5 by 6 whole power 5 of 4, 7 minus 2. So 7 minus 2 means this value 5 value. Then that is equal to 7 into 6 into 5 factorial by 2 into 5 factorial, 5 factorial into 1 by 6 square. This one 5 by 6 whole power 5. Here 6 square cancellation. Then what put on this value 7 by 12 into 5 by 6 whole power 5. So that is the required probability. Now if you want to find out exactly twice, so exactly twice means what we find out here, probability of x is equal to 2. So that's why what put on here, that is equal to 7c2 into 1 by 6 whole square, then 5 by 6, 7 minus 2 value, that is equal to 7 factorial by 2 factorial into 5 factorial, then into here 1 by 6 square into 5 by 6 whole power 5 value. Then what we substituted here, factorial, 7 into 6 by 2 into 1 by this value 6 square into 5 by 6 whole power 5. Now cancellation 6 ones are 6 cancellation. Remaining how much there here? 7. 2 6 are 12. 7 by 12 into 5 by 6 whole power 5. So this is the required probability for the given question. So this question also same 11th model. Here what given? Find the probability of throwing at most given. There are exactly twice given. At most 6 in 6 throws of a single die. So single die means 6 probability what? 1 by 6, 5 by 6. The probabilities are same. So now number of trials, what we done here? N is equal to 6 throws given. Throws 6 given. So n is equal to 6. So first we represent here. Let x represent or let x denote. So what we denote? Let x denote the number of times of getting 6 in an experiment of 6 trials. In an experiment of 6 trials. So that's why n is equal to 6. P is equal to probability of success, 1 by 6. So Q is equal to 1 minus P, 1 minus 1 by 6. So Q is equal to 5 by 6 value. Now what we done here, X has binomial distribution. X has binomial distribution with parameters. Which parameters there my here? N is equal to 6. Okay, P is equal to 1 by 6 and Q is equal to 5 by 6. Next if you want to write on that formula, binomial distribution formula. So what we write on my binomial distribution formula? Probability of X is equal to X, NCX into P power X into Q power N minus X, where X is equal to 0, 1, 2 and so on N values. Here required probability what ma? At most, probability of at most 2 success, probability of at most 2 success. Okay na? So that's why what we have done, at most means what? X is less than or equal to 2. So 2 and below values. So that's why next what we have done here? Probability of X is equal to 0, probability of X is equal to 1, probability of X is equal to 2. Now if you want to calculate these three values probabilities, then first what we done here, probability of X is equal to 0. In the above formula we substituted X plus 0 value, or N is equal to how much there here? 6 there. So 6C0 into P is equal to how much ma? 1 by 6 whole power 0. And this value ma Q, 5 by 6 whole power 6 minus 0 plus, again next what ma? 6C1, 1 by 6 whole power 1, 5 by 6 whole power 5, 6 minus 1 value. Next, this value ma 6C2, 1 by 6 whole square, 5 by 6, 6 minus 2 means ma 4 value. Okay na? Now again we simplifying ma this value. So this value is equal to 1 and this value is equal to 1. So now how much there here? 5 by 6 whole power 6 there. Now if we take common, 5 by 6 whole power 4. Now this value 5 by 6 whole square plus 6 cancellation. 6C1 means 6, 1 by 6 cancellation. Then 5 by 6 common if we take and means 5 by 6 plus again 6C2 factorial, 6 factorial by 2 factorial into this value again 36 and this value already if we taken common. Okay na? Now what we write on here, that is equal to 5 by 6 whole power 4. This one 25 by 36 and this one 5 by 6. Here 6 into 5 into 4, 4 cancellation. Okay na? 4 cancellation. 6C2 no 6 factorial, 6 into 5 into 4, 4 cancellation. 2 1s are 2 3s are. So 3 into 5, 15. So 15 by 36. Now if we take LCM here, so then LCM what we done on here? 36 LCM. So 36 divides 36 one time. So 1 into 25, 25 plus 6 times, 6 5s are 30. Next 6 means one time, 15. Then finally what we done on here? 5 by 6 whole power 4 into, so numerator value how much more? 15 plus 25 plus 30, 55, 60, 70. So 70 by 36 value. Otherwise if you want to simplifying, 35 by 18, 35 by 18 into 5 by 6 whole power 4. So that is the required probability of the given question. Same model only this one. So it is known that 10% of certain articles manufactured or defect. So what is the probability that in a random sample of 12 such articles, 9 are defective, 9 are defective. Here suppose some articles there, out of the articles if you select defective percentage, this defective percentage how much given? 10%. That is the success here. P is equal to 10% means what? 100 by 10 by 100. So 1 by 10. Next here how many sample we take here? 12. So out of 12 sample, how many are we defect? There 9 are defect. That is the, if you want to find out the required probability. So here parameters what? N is equal to 12. Okay now P is equal to 10 by 100 means 1 by 10. Q is equal to 9 by 10. Then selections what here? 9 are defective given. So R is equal to 9. So first if you run same this one, let X denote the number of defective items the number of defective items, in a sample of 12 articles. 12 articles, okay na, sample of how many articles ma? 12 articles are drawn, okay na. Let X denote the number of defective items or defective articles in a sample of 12 articles are drawn. So N is equal to 12. P is equal to probability of success. P is equal to probability of success 10%, that is equal to 10 by 100, that is equal to 1 by 10 value. Now if you want to find out Q is equal to 1 minus P, 1 minus 1 by 10, then Q is equal to how much more? 9 by 10. Now what we done here? X has binomial distribution. X has binomial distribution with parameters what here? N is equal to 12, P is equal to 1 by 10, Q is equal to 9 by 10 value. Okay na? Now if you want to run here binomial distribution formula, then what we run my binomial distribution here? Probability of X is equal to X. So NCX into P power X into Q power N minus X. X is equal to and so on N value. Now if you substitute these values here, what we have done? Probability of X is equal to X. So N is equal to what ma? 12CX. P is equal to what ma? 1 by 10 whole power X. So this value ma? 9 by 10 whole power 12 minus X value. Now here what we find out here? 9 articles, defective articles, how many we want to find out ma? 9 articles. So that's why probability of X is equal to 9. That is the required probability. Then what we are done here? That is equal to 12C9 into 1 by 10 whole power 9 into 9 by 10, 12 minus 9 value. That is equal to 12 factorial by 9 factorial into how much ma? 3 factorial into 1 by 10 whole power 9 into 9 by 10 whole power whole cube. Okay na? Now simplifying this value. 12 into 10 into 11. Okay na? Sorry, 11 into 10. Next here 9 factorial cancellation. This value 6 into 1 by 10 whole power 9 into 9 by 10 whole cube. Here see my 10 value power 9 means 8 there here. So now 6 ones are 6 twos are. Overall how much ma? 22. Okay na? 22 into here 9 cube. If you want to write on this value 9 cube. Here 10 power 8, 10 power 3 means what ma? 10 power 11 value. 10 power 11 value. Otherwise if you want to simplifying means this value how much ma? So 10 if you take in one value, 9 cube. Okay, leave it, otherwise leave it. Next one object bit given ma. This is a previous CET bit also important. Here what given? In a box containing 100 bulbs. One box there, in that box 100 bulbs there. There are 10 are defective. Out of 100 bulbs, how many defective ma? 10 bulbs. So previous question directly he given 10% given this defective bulbs. But here what given? 100 out of 10 bulbs. Both are same concept only. So here again what we done? Probability of success 100 by 10. So sorry, 10 by 100, that is equal to 1 by 10 defective items. So the probability that out of a sample of 5 bulbs, here how many we select? 5 bulbs randomly we taken, none is defective, N is equal to 0 value. So that's why ma, simply if run here, same, let X denote the number of defective bulbs in a sample of 5 trials. Okay na? So that's why N is equal to how much here? 5 value. P is equal to probability of success is equal to 10 by 100, that is equal to 1 by 10. Now Q is equal to what? 1 minus P, 1 minus 1 by 10. Then Q is equal to 9 by 10 value. So again what we done here? X has binomial distribution. X has binomial distribution with N is equal to 5. P is equal to 1 by 10, Q is equal to 9 by 10 value. Okay na? So now here what we done here, probability, binomial distribution formula, probability of x is equal to x, ncx into p power x into q power n minus x. Here actually x is equal to 0 to n values. Now here we substitute these values in the binomial distribution formula. Then what we done here, probability of x is equal to x, n is equal to 5. So 5cx, p is equal to 1 by 10 whole power x, q is equal to 9 by 10, 9 by 10, 5 minus x value. So here none is defective, none is defective. So that's why my probability of x is equal to 0, 5c0 into 1 by 10 whole power 0 into 9 by 10 whole power 5. Now these two values is equal to 1. 5c0 is nothing but 1. Anything power 0 is equal to also 1. So that is equal to required probability how much more? 9 by 10 whole power 5. Which option is correct here? So third option is the correct option. That's my last question in binomial distribution, but this is previous 5 marks question under competitive exam CET. So this question given, so here one condition there, previous compared to 13 problems and this one some different there. So different what means, here the probability that a student is not, here see this word given, not given, not a swimmer is 1 by 5. So not given means we consider that is the failure case, means what, q is equal to, if you consider that is what, q is equal to. In any question not consider means that is what we consider here failure case, q is equal to, then automatically if you find out the p value, then the same process, n is equal to means what, students out of how many are swimmer, 4 are swimmers. So that's why here what we done means, let x denote the number of students, let x denote the number of students out of 5 students, 4 are swimmers, 4 are swimmers. Okay na? Now here parameter what we have done, n is equal to 5. So q is equal to what we have done, probability of student is not swimmer, is not a swimmer. So that is equal to 1 by 5. Now automatically what we have done, p value, p is equal to 1 minus q, 1 minus 1 by 5, that is equal to, p is equal to 4 by 5 value. Now again here, x has binomial distribution with the parameters what we don't see here, n is equal to 5, p is equal to 4 by 5, q is equal to 1 by 5 value. Now formula what we here, probability, binomial distribution formula, then what we done here, probability of x is equal to x, that is equal to ncx, p power x and q power n minus x, x is equal to 0 to n. So then what we done here, probability of x is equal to x, that is equal to ncx means 5. So 5cx into p is equal to 4 by 5 whole power x. This value 1 by 5 whole power 5 minus x value. Here how much, out of 5 are swimmers. Find the probability that out of 4 are swimmers. So that's why probability of x is equal to 4. So 5c4 into 4 by 5 whole power 4 into 1 by 5, 1 value, 5 minus 4, 1 value. Then finally answer how much here? 5c4 into 4 by 5 whole power. Here what we done means 5 minus 4, then that value is equal to 1 value. So he given options. So this is the options there. Like that only option he given. Otherwise if you want to calculate this value, if you simplifying this value, 5 factorial by this value, and finally if you get the answer. Okay na?